Ladies and gentlemen, I have for you today an unboxing. This is a cheaper version, a 8th or 9th or 10th of the price version of a luxury handbag. I was 100% influenced by another YouTuber to buy this. I'll tell you that story. Nothing about this was on my radar at all until I saw this person unbox this bag. I also got a very special color, and this bag just went on sale. Actually, it was already on sale, and now it's an additional 30% off. So I'm going to tell you about that as well. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this one. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. And this was a community post. I purchased this bag the very next day or two. It went on clearance. It was already on sale, then it went another 30% off, but I did tell you guys about it in a community post. So I'm going to unbox this, show you what it is. I will first tell you that I was 100% influenced by another YouTuber to buy it, and that YouTuber was Sophie Shohet. She recently did a video, which I will link below, about less expensive versions of designer handbags, luxury handbags. This item is one of the bags that she showed, but I purchased a different color. It's packaged like this. Yes, indeed, it is from Kate Spade. I have always liked Kate Spade. I've had a few things from them in the past, but I don't currently have any Kate Spade pieces in my collection until now. Let me get all the plastic off this. Oh, and there's a really cool thing about this bag too that I think a lot of you will appreciate. Like I said, this is a bag that was never on my radar, nor was the luxury version. I didn't even know about this one existing, but the luxury one was not on my radar. I have been having second thoughts about it, so we'll see. The color is so pretty though. Oh my gosh. It's a little different color than I thought it would be. Oh, it's beautiful. Are you ready for this? Here's a peek of the color. And here's the bag. What? This is the Kate Spade Little Better Sam bag. And what does it remind you of? Perhaps the Prada ReEdition? Yes, that's what Sophie was saying. She unboxed a black one on her channel, and I thought, wow, that's really pretty. And she was talking about how well made it is, and I already know Kate Spade is very well made. I started looking at it online and comparing the photos, and I'll put a photo up here of the Prada ReEdition, and you can see these two next to each other. It's a nylon bag. It's very similar shape. I love this color. I thought it was going to be more of a jewel emerald kind of tone, but it's really more of a bright Kelly green, I think, or a deep Kelly green. Kate Spade is in gold metal. It has a ribbed textured piping. The handle's not adjustable or removable, but it does have these little square things, so if you wanted to add maybe a gold chain to make it crossbody, you could do that. This handle is very flexible, so you could just fold it down behind the bag like that and have the chain hanging. And actually, I will grab a chain in a minute when I do the mod shots and try that, see how it is. It's triangular on the sides here, so that's a little bit of a problem for me because it looks like a pretty substantial bag, but you probably can't fit as much in here as you might think or might want to because it gets so narrow at the top. No feet. It has a metal zipper and this nylon zipper pull. And I just learned something about it. It felt like a very structured bag, and it looks like a fairly structured bag. But once I unzipped it and I took out all the stuffing they had inside, they had a cardboard piece running through the bottom, which gave it more structure. Now I can just squish it, and I like that about this bag. I think this bag is larger than the Prada one, so I will put the dimensions of both bags in the description box below so that you can look at that and compare the two. The front of the bag is on top here, and here's the inside. So you have that one slip pocket on the front of the bag, and then on the back there's a zippered pocket with a little metal Spade logo there. Inside the pocket is a care card and more green nylon. Now that I know how smushy it is, I bet it would hold more than I thought it would. It says it's made in Cambodia. Oh, and a cool thing about this, and the reason it's called the Little Better Sam bag is because of what it says on the tag here. It says, we're working to be better for our planet and for you by doing things more sustainably. Here's our start. The shell of this product is made of at least 37% recycled materials, and the lining of this product is made of at least 33% recycled materials. So that's pretty cool. There's no leather on this bag, unless the zipper pull is leather. I said it was nylon earlier, but that might be leather. And this little piece on both sides might be leather. Otherwise, it's a vegan bag and good for the planet. Currently, this bag comes in this green and a kind of fuchsia pink, both of which were in the sale section and 30% off of that. Also remember to shop with Rakuten so you get extra money cash back. And if you've never used Rakuten before, be sure you use my link below. You can get $30 off your first purchase. The retail on this bag was about $150. I got it on sale for about $120, and then with the 30% off, I think it was $80 or $90 something. Fantastic deal. You could also add bag charms to those little metal pieces. Very cute. And I'd much rather pay $100 for a small nylon bag that honestly I probably won't use very often than pay $900 for the Prada one. That's my problem, my biggest problem, one of my problems, the biggest one with the Prada bags is that price tag for a nylon bag. I just think that's kind of crazy. I was talking about colors. It also comes in black and in a kind of light olive green that I think they call sage. It's so pretty. Okay, let's do mod shots. This looks great. There's plenty of room there to put my arm in. It doesn't feel like it's right up under my armpit. It's comfortable to hold it right here. It's narrow, where it feels good. My arm doesn't completely hide the bag. I like it a lot. I like it more than I thought I would. I love this color. I was thinking about getting that lighter kind of sage green, which was not on sale, but then I found this one on sale, and I'm glad I got this one. It's a little more outside the box for me than the sage green would be. That's more of a safe color. It's part of my wardrobe, but I've been venturing out into a couple of brighter colors lately. And of course, green is the color of 2021. If you don't already know that, I will link the video about it below. You can pair a green like this with bright colors like I'm doing right now, or you could easily pair it with neutrals for that pop of color everyone's always talking about. My gosh, it might just be the perfect bag. Let's check a few things to see if they fit. Will a full-size wallet fit? Easily, no problem at all. Could I also fit my mini pochette? Will a card holder fit in the front pocket? It does, with plenty of room to spare. Your phone would fit in there too. How about a passport holder in the zipped pocket in the back? It's helpful if you unzip the pocket first. All of that fits splendidly, and there's plenty of room for more. I am so pleased with this bag. Oh, by the way, look at the sag. Is there sag? Look how it sags. You can see there is a little bit of sag because it is not a super structured bag. So that's helpful to know too. You're welcome. Now that I have seen this in person, touched it, felt it, fallen in love with it, I feel like I might want a few more colors. And isn't that funny, because I was just never interested in the ReEdition and still really am not. But this bag makes me very happy. And I was, like I said, I was having those second thoughts and thinking, am I really going to carry that? I feel like it'll be too small for me, and the color and all this stuff and the nylonness, and I will definitely be carrying this for sure. In fact, I am cutting off the tags. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you back here next time. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.